And welcome to another Python tutorial. My name's Tom with LearnPythonTutorial.com, and I'm still a little bit under the weather, and I do apologize if I sound funny. Anyway, We're gonna do our last dictionary tutorial, and dictionary specific tutorial. I'm sure we'll use dictionaries a lot more in our tutorials, but this is gonna be the last specific one, and we're gonna talk about nesting. Nesting is when you put a data type inside another data type. It could be the same data type as, for example, here, two dictionaries inside each other, or a list or something like that. So we're actually nesting something into another data type. And the reason why I want to talk about this is how do we access the inner data type. So we're just going to work with dictionaries because it's basically the same for lists. And we're just going to create a dictionary, and then we're going to work from there. We're going to learn how to access it, how to change the value, how to delete the value, and how to create a new value. So just to help your Python knowledge a little bit here. So we're going to create a dictionary. A is equal to, and curly brackets, and we're going to say name. And then I'm going to say, this is where we're going to nest another dictionary. We're going to do first, and we'll say Tom. And then comma, and then we're going to do last. And we'll do my last name, Myers. Now we close out that dictionary, so this dictionary is nested in this dictionary. And we'll put another one just out here for the heck of it, age. And I think I'm 34, so 34. And close out that dictionary. So what we have here is a dictionary, and inside the dictionary we have another dictionary. So in this case, name is the key, and it's a key for another dictionary. And then we have first and last as keys inside that dictionary. And then out here we have age, which is with name as a key. Alright, so I'll hit return. So the first thing we want to do is access the last name. So how do we do that? We do A, square brackets, just like we did with regular dictionaries, name. So we got access to first key, and then we got access to second key. So close out your square brackets, and another set of square brackets, and this time we're going to do last and square brackets. Hit return, and we get Myers. So as you can see, what we have to do when we work with nested dictionaries or nested data types, is be able to access the first one and then access the second key inside that to call it. So we're going inside this one, and then we go one level down into this one. All right, so it's pretty simple. So if we wanted to change a value, for example, we change the first name to John. Let's do A, and then we're going to get the first key, name. So now we're inside here. Now we need to get inside here, so we do square brackets first, and then square brackets, close it out. So now we're in this dictionary. Now we want to change the value. We talked about this a couple tutorials ago. We just simply assign a new value by using the assignment operator. And we'll say John. Alright, and hit return. And if we call A, now we can see first name is John. Alright, pretty cool, right? How about if we wanted to add a new item, and an item's being a key and a value in a dictionary? Let's take a look at that. So we'll do A, and then we want to get inside this dictionary right here. So once again, we do name. Oops, it's got to be in string format. Square brackets, and then this time we're gonna put a new key because we're adding a new item. So our key is going to be middle. So we're going to add a middle name, square brackets. And this is just like adding a new value. If it can't find the key that you're looking for, it's going to insert the key and the value. So middle, because we don't have middle in this dictionary. And then we're going to put a new name, and I'll say Jake. Alright, hit return, and then we call it. Now as you can see, our nested dictionary now contains a middle name, Jake. Alright. That's pretty cool. Now, how about if we wanted to delete the one we just put in? Delete middle. All right. We'll use the del method, and then A, since our dictionary is represented by the variable A, and then we're going to say delete, and then we're going to do name. All right, and we have to get back into this level here, so we're going to do middle, square bracket, hit return, call A. Now, as you can see, middle has been removed from this dictionary. Now, be cautious when you're working with delete. If I would have went something like this and name, all right, and I don't specify my next level down, and I hit return, then I call A, up, now we only have age 34, so we lost a ton of data. So that's just something to be cautious about. But that's basic nesting in a dictionary in Python. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You just got to understand, you got to step through the layers, all right? So if you have any questions about nesting in the dictionary in Python, please leave a comment on YouTube or on our website at learnpythontutorial.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. We'll see you in the next one. We'll be working with tuples.